The truth is about to offend you. You are being torn apart every single hour by useless notifications and the constant noise of a digital world. Look into that mirror right now. Is that the person who will dominate 2026? Or just a ghost of stagnation haunting your own potential future? 2025 is slipping away through your fingers while you are still waiting for a perfect moment that simply does not exist in the real world. Stop lying to yourself about your progress. Every minute spent in the void of mindless scrolling is a brick stolen from the foundation of your empire. The person you see today must die for the winner of tomorrow to be born. There is no middle ground in the pursuit of absolute greatness. You are currently a slave to your own comfort. Break the glass of your illusions and face the cold reality of your wasted and lost time. The countdown has already begun. You can either be the one who watches history happen or the one who forces the world to acknowledge your name. To build a lasting empire, you must first sanely and completely flatten the slums of your old toxic habits and your many weak excuses today. Do not try to patch up a broken version of yourself. Burn the bridge to your old life and watch the flames light your new path. Declare a total war against your old identity. The person who failed yesterday has no place in the room where your future is being decided. You cannot carry the weight of your laziness into 2026 if you truly intend to stand on the highest peak of your chosen field. Every second of hesitation is an act of treason against your dreams. The era of being mediocre is officially over as of this very moment. Kill the need for validation from others. Your old identity was built on the opinions of people who are not even running the same race. Fear is a compass pointing toward the work you are avoiding. Walk directly into the fire until you are forged into something completely unbreakable. Leave the ruins behind. The reconstruction of your soul requires you to be ruthless with the parts of you that are still holding you back. The world celebrates the noise of fame, but true achievement is quietly forged in the deep, cold darkness where nobody is watching your struggle. Strategic solitude is not about being lonely. It is a period of radical purification. It is the time when you sharpen your inner blade. When you disappear from the parties and go silent on social media, you are not missing out. You are busy loading your weapon for battle. The crowd moves in circles following the latest trends. The winner moves in a straight line, fueled by a vision that only he can see. Your plan must be written in blood and sweat. Map out every move, every sacrifice, and every threshold you are prepared to cross for victory. Embrace the silence of the forge. Let the heat of your ambition melt away the impurities of doubt and the weakness of your past self. In this space of strategic isolation, you are the architect and the builder. You are deciding who you will become when the lights go up. Every hour of focus in the shadows is worth a year of public praise. Do the work that no one else is willing to do. The cooling process is as vital as the heat. Discipline is the quench that turns your soft intentions into the hardest steel of character. Your transformation is happening now. By the time they see you again, you will be a stranger to those who once knew your weaknesses. Discipline is not a single event. It is a permanent architecture. Your mind is a garden that requires daily, ruthless weeding to grow strong. Every morning you wake up on time is a single brick laid. Every time you reject a distraction, you strengthen the walls of your fort. Think of your habits like small threads. Individually, they are weak, but woven together by repetition, they become a cable that can hold mountains. This architecture of routine will support your heaviest ambitions when the storms of life try to blow you off your chosen path to success. Do not wait for inspiration. Inspiration is for amateurs. The professional builds his wall brick by brick, regardless of how he feels that day. Consistency is the only superpower that matters. 100 small, boring actions will always outperform a single moment of frantic, unorganized genius and luck. Steel discipline is forged through the resistance of doing what is hard. Choose the pain of discipline over the much heavier pain of later regret. Design your life with the precision of an engineer. Leave nothing to chance. Your success in 2026 is a mathematical certainty of your habits. You are rewiring your brain for dominance. Every act of self-control is a signal that you are no longer a victim of your impulses. The foundation is set. Now you must continue to build with the same cold, calculated persistence that brought you through the dark winter months. You are no longer just a man, you are a monument to your own willpower. The architecture of your destiny is now finally taking shape. Failure is not a dead end, it is high-octane gasoline. It is the most powerful fuel you will ever have in your life's journey. Take the pain of being overlooked, take the bitterness of being broke, and use it to ignite a fire that nothing can ever extinguish. Burn your bridges, burn your ships, and burn your past failures. Let the heat of your struggles push you forward at a speed they cannot follow. The winner of 2026 is the one who has the most scars and the most reasons to quit, but chose to keep moving anyway. Your past is just a library of lessons. Stop living in the chapters that hurt you and start using them to write your ultimate victory. Rebirth requires the total destruction of the old self. Let the fire of your ambition consume everything that is not essential to your future. Every tear you shed in private will be repaid in public triumph. Your struggle is the down payment for a life that most people dream of. Accelerate through the resistance. The harder the struggle, the more velocity you gain when you finally break through to the other side of success. You are now dangerous. A man who has used his failures as fuel is a man that the world can no longer stop or contain. The campaign of your total reconstruction begins right now. The blueprint is in your hands and the world is waiting for your next move. 2026 will not ask about your intentions or your potential. It will only acknowledge the concrete results you have fought to achieve today. This is your year. This is your decade. This is your life. Do not let another second pass in the service of a version of you. Stop talking about what you are going to do. The time for words has long since passed. The time for absolute action is here now. Become the winner you once promised that little boy you used to be. Honor the sacrifices you have made to get to this very point. The blueprint is complete. The foundation is solid. The fuel is burning. There is nothing left to do but to go out and conquer. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for a sign. Take the first step into your new reality and never, ever look back again. The world is yours for the taking if you are brave enough to kill who you were. Start now. Go out and claim your destiny.